how do you name a beneficiary on an LLC? Hi, I'm attorney Paul Deloughery. Well, it really depends on if you are the only member or if there are other members. If you're the only member, then frankly you could have a separate piece of paper that says that when you die, that your ownership in the LLC goes to this other person, for example. It can be that simple. Now, if there are other members, if there are other members, then you need to incorporate the provision into the operating agreement, because most operating agreements have limitations on transferability of membership interests, and the other members need to agree to it. So you need to make sure that they're not going to block it later. Now that's assuming you have an operating agreement. If you have multiple members in the LLC and you don't have an operating agreement, then here's a really great reason for you to get an operating agreement, okay? So hopefully that answers the question. If you have any other questions, send them over to me. You can email them to, I'll put the email address in the notes below, or if you have other questions, give us a call. Have a great day.